Thank you for purchasing your Beer Sign Specialist custom rack. We're here showing you how to put it together today, and assuming that you've taken it out of the box, these are all the parts you should have. Number one, 2 sides, a back, 4 shelves, and a header, along with your hardware pack. To begin to assemble, open your package of hardware. You'll find an Allen wrench and 12 bolts that go in. And you want to identify your 2 sides and your 4 shelves to begin with, okay? So, number one, shelf number 1, okay? And these are side 1 and shelf 1, okay? And you're gonna find that on your sides, the curved part goes towards the front. So your goal here is to put the tabs towards the long, flat back in this section, and you're going to want to attach one of the bolts into this section. You can loosely tighten it just to hold it in place, like so, okay? And we're going to continue that process for all 4 shelves on one side. So now that you have the 4 shelves screwed in from one side, you want to flip it onto that side and take the second side and actually just mirror it from the bottom. Line up the tabs with the holes, right straight down. Like that. And then take 4 more bolts and put them in the same spots on this side and tighten them down. Make sure they're very tight as well. That'll help the stability of the rack side to side. So continue and do that with all 4. So now that the 2 sides and the shelves are in place, you want to find your backer. Make sure that the top lines up with the top of the rack on this end, and just line up the tabs with the holes like we did on the previous, and press it in place. You may find you have to work a little bit to get 1 or 2 in, but that goes together, and you're going to repeat the same process for these. You're going to insert the 4 bolts here, right in the holes that are provided, and tighten them in place. So lastly, the thing we want to do is the very top bolt on the back you want to loosen, and this is your header piece. And you're going to find that there's 2 slots here that the header will slide down into. By loosening it, it will just make the header slide down into the piece easier, and you'll find that it'll seat itself right straight down. And when that's all in place, you can just tighten this up and your rack will be complete.